This is a dream. There should be somewhere on earth a place which has no nation, where all human beings could live freely as citizens of the world, a place of peace and harmony. Hi guys, welcome to day 4 of my solo trip to Pondicherry. Google karoge to Auroville will show you only Matrimandir. But there's so much more to this place. You know what makes Auroville special? Auroville is a cashless society. There's no race, no religion, no government, and no nationality. Auroville is around 20 to 25 minutes from main Pondicherry. Well, my day has started with one of the most must-visit cafes, Bread and Chocolate.
Good morning guys. Good morning from Auroville. आज day 4 है and I'm in Auroville today. I'm going to be staying in Auroville, so I've figured out a couple of activities that I'm going to be doing in Auroville. Well, I've heard a lot about this place. I want to speak to a lot of Aurovillians here, and yeah, let's just dig into this yummy pancake that we have in front of us. जो मक्खियाँ खा लेंगी. Let's just dig in.
After one of the most delicious start of the day, हम अपने super unique Auroville stay में check-in करने वाले.
The roads here are so good. Pondi में स्कूटी चलाने का मजा ही कुछ और है, और Auroville especially, the roads are so wide, greenery all around, blue skies, it feels good. यार finally welcome from Auroville and my stay at Auroville.
कहा था ना unique है. Rupees 1200 per night. This is a cute container stay type का concept. मैंने खुद अभी तक rooms नहीं देखे हैं. So let's do a real time room check-in. Oh, this is super compact.
इतनी छोटे सी प्रॉपर्टी में they've managed to give such a unique taste to this entire place. Auroville Center जो मेन है, मैत्री मंदिर, all of that से काफ़ी पास में. I've got my scooty here from Pondicherry. Otherwise अगर आपको रेंट करना है बाइक्स या साइकिल्स तो वो भी आप यहाँ से कर सकते हो. यहाँ का जो ओनर है, the person who owns this place, बहुत superb and very cute. Currently because it's like around 11 o'clock, हम जाएंगे Auroville के अंदर. सिटी जो सेंटर है वहाँ पे जाएंगे, मैत्री मंदिर. 6 PM तक आई वांट बी बैक एंड देन आई वांट बी इन माय रूम एंड स्लीप अर्ली एंड देन गेट अप अर्ली वाला कॉन्सेप्ट करना है. बहुत वियर्ड लग रहा है. सोलो ट्रिप तो था ये, बट बिकॉज आई वाज स्टेइंग इन नोमैड हॉस्टल फर्स्ट 3 days तो लगा ही नहीं सोलो, बिकॉज आई मेड अ कपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स देयर. काइंड ऑफ एक्साइटेड बट काइंड ऑफ नर्वस ऑल्सो. लाइक आई सेड, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट Auroville in today's video. Let's go.
Auroville and Matrimandir, they are parallel, yeah. That's the first thing that comes to your mind. Now vehicle बाहर park करना पड़ेगा and you can walk down to the visiting center. Now once you reach the visiting center, take the ticket to Matrimandir.
1 किलोमीटर का जो रास्ता है टुवर्ड्स मैत्री मंदिर बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. इट्स वॉट अराउंड 12 PM, तो भी बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रीनरी ऑल अराउंड इतना धूप नहीं लग रहा है. इट्स वेरी सीनिक द वॉक टुवर्ड्स मैत्री मंदिर. आई गेस आई एम ऑलमोस्ट नियर द मैत्री मंदिर. लेट्स गो इनसाइड.
It took 37 years to build this, from layering of the foundation stone at sunrise on the 21st of Feb 1971 to the completion of the Matrimandir in 2008.
It feels so peaceful यहाँ पे. It's just पूरा shade है of the trees. You can sit here and it's just very peaceful. It's beautiful. मैत्री मंदिर होने के बाद यू हैव फ्री बसेस दैट टेक्स यू टू द विजिटिंग सेंटर. 1 किलोमीटर का वॉक बच जाएगा. मैत्री मंदिर से आ गई हूँ, बट यहाँ पे एक साउंड हीलिंग सेशन होता है नियर स्वरम. सो स्वरम इज़ जस्ट आउटसाइड ऑरोविल, जहाँ पे मैत्री मंदिर, वहाँ से आप वापस आते हो ना, उसके बाद यू कैन गो टू द साउंड हीलिंग सेशंस, जो वेडनेसडे को होते हैं बिटवीन 3 to 4 PM. तो आज वेडनेसडे है, इसीलिए आई एम गोइंग टू स्वरम टू चेक आउट द साउंड हीलिंग सेशन, जो मैंने सुना है बहुत अच्छा होता है, एंड आई एम डेस्परेटली वेटिंग टू गो देयर. तो आज सरस्वती पूजा थी, इसीलिए साउंड गार्डन बंद था. दे जस्ट गेव मी लाइक अ क्विक टूर ऑफ हाउ द प्लेसेस. यहाँ पे आगे जाके लाइक जस्ट लाइक अ 4 to 5 minutes वॉक, यहाँ पे एक ऑरोविल बाम्बू सेंटर है. आई थिंक आई कैन मीट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल देयर. दिस इज़ हाउ द एंट्री इज़. सही सा एंट्री है, तो लेट्स गो.
Bamboo Center found हुआ था 2009 में, and this place offered bamboo construction and furniture training workshop to promote green cultivation and usage of bamboo. अब इनकी वेबसाइट को अगर आप चेक करोगे, यू कैन रजिस्टर ऑनलाइन ऑन एनी वर्कशॉप्स एंड इवेंट्स. उसकी टूर टाइमिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन इन द वेबसाइट. और यहाँ पे बाम्बू साउंड गार्डन भी है. सो टू विजिट दिस यू गो वाया शटल buses that leave from the visiting center. Due to COVID, nothing of this was operational, but I was lucky to run into an Aurovillian. I met Sahithi, and she was not just a regular girl. She's the director at Mohana, and here is her journey on becoming an Aurovillian. How did you think about, moving into Auroville? Tell me something that I can, as a takeaway about Auroville.
So I'm a social entrepreneur, and when I floated my company 2 years back, there was no employees or capital that was available for me. So I had basically started it from home, and then it was a website, and then I started doing stories about women entrepreneurs and product stories basically. And this made me travel from one place to another in search of stories. Then suddenly, I felt like, okay, let me travel. I haven't traveled solo. Searching for something, many people in Auroville told me, Auroville chooses you because it's a slow-paced, community-based, a very deep impact. I started Googling, destinations that are happy, safer for women travelers in India, because long-term solo traveling in India for women is still you're safer with a pepper spray.
You won't believe, that's the first thing that I packed.
I always have it on me because that's how it is. And then I also visited Auroville, say 12 years ago with my father as a kid. Yeah. And then came to Matrimandir for a half-day visit. Typical
like I have come here.
Okay.
Because I don't know what else to find.
Yeah. Google doesn't really say a lot about Auroville. I think it is beautiful because it's
Let
more...
it be that way.
Yeah. So you come here, you stay, you meet people, you end up meeting people, you end up walking into places and events and programs that resonate with you, and that's how your self-discovery begins. I read about it. Spirituality, architecture, sustainability, social impact, women, feminism, so many things. Art, culture, heritage, literature, theatre, travel, rural tourism, skill-based economy is booming here. You not see products really making economic value here, but you'll see new products being designed here, experimented here. So Auroville is a experimental town. where people come from across the world. Right now, I think there are people from more than 40 countries, 50 countries living inside the campus. There are like hundreds of social enterprises in the, I think 10 kilometers diameter of in and around Auroville. I could not stay home for a long time. I was really in love with this place. Like, I could connect well, and it was very accepting. The place is very accepting. It will dissolve you. If you give it, it will give you. It's that kind of a place. Then I came back, I stayed for 1.5 months. Then I went home, got all my stuff with me for good, and then I came back here and I started doing my work, my stories, finding social entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, and interesting, sustainable products. And I started volunteering, and now I took over as a director. And also, I have my private office here, and so I'm collaborating with Mohanam and working together for a common goal of improvising lives of women through sustainable livelihoods and working for rural tourism. And we have like amazing programs in Mohanam, which I want to use my platform and promote to the rest of the world, and let other people know that there's a wonderful place out here which you can come and explore.
After meeting such a highly positive and vibrant soul, honestly, I'm pumped up with so much energy. Now, she gave me an idea to visit a man-made forest in Auroville. So again, we are off to a unique journey.
I searched for a lot of unexplored Pondicherry experiences. कभी मिला नहीं ये experience जो आज आप लोग experience करने वाले हो. Welcome to Pichanikullam Forest. सुना है कभी? It's in Auroville. Let's go.
Pichanikullam means Pichandi's pond in Tamil, named after a local traditional healer, Pichandi, who practiced healing at the pond.
This is a man-made forest. This is one example. No, anciently the people are lived in the nature mostly, and then after some years, the civilization or lifestyle is changing. So any development, technology development or economical developments, whatever development, but we have to balance it how to keep our greenery
Intact, yes.
This forest is man-made.
Smell it?
Kind of an alarm to all of us, right? It's an environmental organization and community based in the green belt of Auroville, having around 800 species of plants in 70 acres of forest land.
Do we have animals here? Here?
Yeah, in Auroville main road, opposite of.
Is this porcupine?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's nice to like.
Yeah, just put it in your hair.
It's a lucky one actually. You can't.
Is it?
You can use like a multi-purpose. So anyone comes, then like like a safeguarding.
Yeah.
Self-protection.
अब आप ये फॉरेस्ट विजिट कर सकते हो. देयर आर डिफरेंट गाइडिंग वॉकिंग टूर्स, आयुर्वेदिक कंसल्टेशन और बहुत कुछ. बट उसके लिए जस्ट चेक देयर वेबसाइट.
The last thing that we can do here is visit the museum. So I'm going along with the archaeologist himself, and he's going to show us around the museum. What an experience Auroville has given me today. I have a porcupine spine over here in my head, and I'm walking with an archaeologist to visit the museum here. And there's a beautiful man-made forest.
Stones, bones, seashells.
Starting the museum now. Now only slowly we're.
Yeah, for visitors.
This maybe this is 200 years old. That.
वेल म्यूजियम तो अभी अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है, बट सीइंग द एंशिएंट थिंग्स ऐसे लूजली kept was such a beautiful experience.
Matka.
Krishna Nadaka.
Krishna, yeah.
Boat.
Small. This is so big.
Oh, so big.
Pichanikullam forest हो चुका है, तो अभी we are going. She has like a very beautiful place जहाँ पे herbally products, cosmetic products वो सब बनाए जाते हैं. Miss Parvati is too fast.
You can contact her on the number here. She delivers handmade skincare products at your doorstep. अब सरप्राइज मिला when I got to know कि यहाँ पे वो उसका खुद का मिनी पार्लर खोला है. She does facial with her own product. अब sadly again I didn't have time, but in case होता तो मैं definitely करती.
अभी कितना बजा है? 5 भी नहीं बजा है. It's already started raining. मैंने लंच स्किप कर लिया था, बहुत भूख लगा है. And we are here at Tanto Pizza. Best restaurant here in Auroville, ऐसे मैंने सुना है. यहाँ पे wood fire pizza मिलता है. So let's just directly dig into some pizza. Hard make our diet. Let's go. In vegetarian, which pizza do you? I want one that's like wood fire one. All wood fire. Okay. Tasty pizza. The base is thin crust. Cheese is just perfect. बहुत सही है. worth जितना Tanto pizza में ज़रूर खाना. Look at the sky, damn it! गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम द ऑरोविल बीच. सनराइज प्रॉपर नहीं हुआ, क्लाउडी वेदर है, ऐसा पीकअपू दिख रहा है ऑफ द सन.
लोगों का कहना है you can't Google Auroville. And I completely agree with that. You need to stay in Auroville for some time to understand what this place is all about. And I'm going to be coming back soon.
The best beach, like I showed you in Pondicherry, has to be Eden Beach. तो वो तो ज़रूर जाना when you are in Pondicherry. But like Auroville में, it's good for sunrise though. One of the best cafes here in Auroville is Mark's Cafe. So अभी breakfast करेंगे and then we'll head to Pondicherry and then Chennai. We're going back today. So let's have our breakfast real quick. This is it from my today's vlog in Auroville. I'll be leaving to Pondicherry and then Chennai back today. But आज का दिन बहुत सही था. It just started with the sunrise and I guess that's the perfect way to end your trip, because एक दिन में तो you cannot find out what Auroville is about. And यहाँ पे Aurovillians जो रहते हैं, you just come across them if you keep exploring Auroville via scooty or via cycle, and just make sure that you approach them, talk to them like I did, and I learned so much. जब तुम just Matrimandir visit करते हो या you go, of course sound healing sessions one of the best sessions, but अगर सिर्फ Matrimandir करके आए तो Auroville is nothing, but Auroville is so much more than that. It's an experimental town and I think it should definitely be the future. And if you enjoyed watching the video and if you have been to Auroville, how was your experience? Please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in yet another video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And this was Auroville in one day from my eyes. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.